Welcome, human. You just did the most foolish thing you could have done in your trading journey. You clicked on this video, searching for a secret. But I won't teach you a strategy, because you already know enough to be profitable. Still, you lose. You think success is hidden in some strategy or behind some signal, or buried deep down inside $1,000 mentorship cards. But deep down, you already know enough. You've learned the patterns. You've watched the backtests. Still, you lose. You're the one avoiding the truth, and clicking on this video proves it. And you keep losing because what you lack isn't knowledge, it's control. You're fighting a battle against the charts. But the real enemy is yourself. Your greed, your fear, your rush to prove something. Every time you break your plan, that's not the market beating you. That's you betraying yourself. You risk $100 to feel like you're chasing a dream, but you're not. You're escaping discipline. Let me tell you the most expensive thing you'll ever spend, alright? It's not the money, it's time. Every single human on this earth is born with the same asset, a default asset, time, which is given to every single one in this planet. It's the most valuable currency on the earth. You can't earn more of it, you can't refund it, yet you're foolish enough to spend it on distractions. You scroll, you run from boredom like it's pain, but boredom is your greatest gift. That silence is where patience grows. And patience is everything in trading. You don't get paid for how many trades you take. You get paid for how many you don't. The market doesn't reward urgency. It rewards control. You will lose more money chasing dopamine than chasing setups. And yet you keep trading to feel something? No, let's just talk about discipline. Alright. Not just the kind you write in your journal, the kind that every religion on earth has been trying to teach you. Every spiritual path, whether you follow it or not, demands self-control. Lying is forbidden. Greed is condemned. Jealousy, envy, gluttony, all things every faith warns you against. Why? Because they destroy the soul? Yes, but also because they destroy the clarity. And the clarity is the one thing you cannot afford to lose in trading. When you are impulsive, you lose. When you act out of emotion, you lose. When you know what you're supposed to do and still don't do it, that's no lack of strategy. That's spiritual weakness. If you can't follow basic life discipline, how will you follow your trading rules? You pray for success but live with distraction. You ask for wealth but waste time. You claim you're dedicated but you run from discomfort. No God, no mentor, market will bless someone who refuses to show up with discipline. If you're still here, still watching, then congratulations. You're already better than the most. You're 10% ahead because you're patient. And patience is the first profit. Trading is not the war. It's meditation. It's repetition. It's stillness. It's the same setup, done again and again, until it becomes the part of you. You don't need more knowledge. You need fewer lies. The lies you tell yourself, I'll stick to my rules this time. I'll just need one good trade. This one feels right. No, it doesn't. You want a secret? You want the truth that millions of traders spend years ignoring? There is no secret. There's only one enemy, and that enemy is you. Every time you avoid journaling, that's you. Every time you overtrade, that's you. Every time you blame the market, that's you. The charts don't care who you are. The candles don't feel sorry for you, but they reflect you. And when you learn to silence noise, the charts start talking. That's when you become consistent. That's when you finally stop chasing and start executing. That's when you stop being a gambler and become a trader. So now, you want the real answer? The truth about success in this game? I had already given it to you. It was the first two words of this video. Welcome, human. Because that's the key. That tells you that you are made of emotions, and controlling it is the key to trading. You are the problem, and you are the solution.